now IUPAC, how we will name? First rule is we will select the longest chain. We will select the longest chain. Suppose like this we have a structure. So this is 1, 2, 3. If you go here it will be 4. But we will not go here. We will go straight 5 and 6. This is a longest chain. 6. If we go like this, so 4 carbon will be there. If we go like this, so 6 carbon will be there. So we will select the longest chain. Suppose we have structure like this. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry, that is 4 and 5. Right? 1, 2, 3. If we go like here, then 5, 6, 4, 5. If we go down, then 4, 5, 6 and 7. So we are getting the longest chain here. Right? So we will select the longest chain. We will select the longest chain. This is our first rule. And whatever is left, this is left. This will be called as alkyl. This will be called as alkyl. This is main chain and that is called as alkyl. That is called as alkyl. Alright. If we have chain like this, straight, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many carbon are there? 5. For 5 carbon, what we use? Pent. What we use? Pent. And all the single bond are there. That means alkane is there. A suffix of alkane is ane. So name will be pentane. Alright. Suppose we have a chain like this. So we will go from there. This double bond will get the smallest position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Long chain we will select and we will select the numbering from here, either from here or from here. This double bond should get the smallest number. From here it is getting 1, 2, 3, third position. From here it is getting second position. So we will start numbering from here. Now 5 carbon. For 5 carbon what we use? Pent. After pent, what we write? What is the position of that particular functional group? Double bond is there. The double bond is a functional group. At what position it is present? Second position. Then again dash. What is present? Which functional group is present? Double bond. For double bond, suffix is ene. So name will be pent 2 ene. बात समझ में आई? Third one, fourth one. Suppose we have like this. If we start numbering from here, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This triple bond is getting a position third. If we start numbering from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Triple bond is getting which position? Second. तो हमारी numbering कहाँ से start होगी? From here. बात समझ में आई? Means preference will be given to the functional group. They should get the smallest possible number. And from here it is getting a smallest possible number. That is why number is 2. We have taken. Now we are starting numbering from here. Now 5 carbon. So 5 carbon के लिए we use pent. Which position it is on? Second position. And what is this? Triple bond. Triple bond suffix is ine. So name is pent 2 ine. Understood or not? If suppose we have this alcohol, see, the preference must be given to alcohol. So numbering will be started from here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Simple I am telling. Then we will go for the branch. पहले simple देख लीजिए. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 के लिए we use bute. 4 के लिए we use bute. All the single bond are there. That is why we use butane. E नहीं लगाएंगे यहाँ पे. A का butane का E हट जाएगा because यहाँ पर एक और functional group present है, इसलिए B A E हट जाएगा. Butane. कौन सी position पर alcohol present है? 1. What is present? Alcohol, and alcohol suffix is all. So your name will be butane 1 all. Suppose we have CHO. We have CHO. अब CHO itself has a carbon, the numbering will start from there only. Numbering will start from there only. 1, 2, 3. 3 के लिए we use prop. 3 के लिए we use prop. But between carbon and carbon single bond is there, तो alkane का an, because another functional group is present, that is why E will not be there. At what position this another functional group is present? First. What is the name of functional group? Aldehyde. Aldehyde suffix is al, so name will be propan 1-al. That means when you do IUPAC, first you write prefix, then you write position, and then you write suffix. ठीक, prefix में we write number of carbon atom, position में we write number कि at what position, at what number that particular functional group is present. Suffix में we write functional group, suffix में we write functional group, right? All right. ये this is for only normal one. This is for only straight chain. This is for only straight chain. If we have branch chain like this, क्योंकि यहाँ पे branch है, that is alkyl, तो we describe alkyl first. मतलब before this prefix, before this number of carbon atom, we write alkyl. What is the name of alkyl? And before this, what is the position of alkyl? How? First see this. At what position these two carbons are present? Third position. ठीक, तो we write 3. Then 2 carbon is there. 2 carbon के लिए we use eth. Alkyl है तो YL. 3 ethyl. अब number of carbon atom. How many number of carbon atom are there? 7. तो 7 के लिए we use hept. 7 के लिए we use hept. No other functional group is present. But what is present? Single bond. That means alkane. So suffix will be ane. Suffix will be ane. Alright. So in a prefix, first, if straight chain is there, we write the number of carbon atom, and then position of particular functional group, and then suffix. Suffix में functional group, what is the name of that particular functional group. If alkyl is present, branch chain is there, then before the number of carbon atom, before the main chain number of carbon atom, we write position and then name of the alkyl group. If halide is also present, if halide is present like this, this is our structure. यहाँ पर हमारा Cl is present, here हमारा CH3 is present. All right. ये हमारा एक स्ट्रक्चर है जिसको हमें नेम करना है. तो हाउ वी विल नेम इट, क्या क्या प्रेजेंट है? अल्किल, एंड दिस इज, बिकॉज यहाँ पर हम स्ट्रेट चेन ये वाली सेलेक्ट करेंगे, राइट? एंड दिस विल बी apart from, away from that straight chain, that means it is branch, that means it is alkyl. Alkyl is present and halide is present. So between alkyl and halide, we will give preference to halide. मतलब we will start numbering from here. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So both halide and alkyl are being told in a before number of carbon atom. Like at what position chlorine is present? Second position. At what position that this alkyl methyl is present? Third position. So two position पे what is present? I told you have to write like chloro, bromo, ido, fluoro, right? So 2 chloro. Second position में what is present? Chloro. Third position में what is present? Methyl. ये हमारा पूरा प्रीफिक्स हो गया. देन हमारा क्या आता है? नंबर ऑफ कार्बन आइटम. तो नंबर ऑफ कार्बन आइटम हाउ मेनी? 5. तो पेंट. पोजीशन ऑफ फंक्शनल ग्रुप, तो नो फंक्शनल ग्रुप इज प्रेजेंट, तो नो पोजीशन. व्हाट इज देयर? ऑल द सिंगल बॉन्ड, दैट मींस एल्केन. तो यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा? पेंटेन. आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड. नाउ दैट मीन्स when we name like this. Firstly we describe if alkyl या halide is present. Firstly we describe the position of alkyl या फिर halide, then name of alkyl and halide, then number of carbon atom, then position of functional group if present, and then name or you can say suffix of that particular functional group. This is what? This is a criteria of naming. This is a criteria of naming. Now preferences, if we talk about, suppose in a compound so many things are present, so what you give to whom you will give the preference. If double bond and alkyl both are present, then you will give preference. Matlab numbering when you do, the double bond should get the lowest possible number. If triple bond or alkyl is present, then triple bond should get the lowest possible number. If alkyl या फिर alkyl and OH, CHO, COOH, CO, any other functional group is present, then preference should be given to these functional group, not alkyl. Preference should be given to these functional group. If alkyl is present and together with this halide is present, so for preference should be given to halide. Preference should be given to halide. If halide is present and these functional group OH, CHO, COOH, CO, something is present, then preference will be given to these functional group. Okay? This is a criteria of preferences if two or more things are present. Now see, example, first one, double bond is also there and alkyl is also there. Then what is the preference? Double bond. So numbering will be started from where writing the number is compulsory. Otherwise you will get 0 in your exams. Writing the number over the compound is compulsory. Otherwise you will get 0. So double bond should get the lowest possible number. If we start numbering from here, 1, 2, 3, it is getting which number? 3. If we start numbering from here, 1, 2, it is getting second position. The numbering will start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. ये हमारी main chain है and this is our alkyl. So this alkyl will be named first. At what position? First one हमें क्या बताना है? Position. At what position alkyl is present? Fourth. So we write 4. Which alkyl is present? One carbon alkyl, methyl. Now name number of carbon atom. How many number of carbon atoms are there? 5. So it will be pent. अब now double bond is present, तो AN नहीं लगाएंगे हम. We will tell the position of that functional group, that is double bond. At what position double bond is present? Second position. What is the suffix of double bond? E. So its name will be 4-methyl pent 2-ene. Understood? Now second one. Here what is present? Our chain will be this one. Our chain will be this one. It is away from the chain, that means alkyl. Now alkyl is present and OH is present. Alkyl is present and OH is present. So preference will be given to OH. So numbering will start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? Third position पर alkyl is present. Firstly we have to write the position of alkyl, that is 3. What is the name of alkyl? Methyl. Right? Now number of carbon atom. How many carbon atom? 4. 4 के लिए we use but. Now all the single bond are there. Double bond था इसलिए हमने सिर्फ pent we have written. All the single bond are there. That means butane. E नहीं लगाएंगे because one functional group OH is also present. At what position is present? 1. What is the suffix of OH? That is all. So 3-methyl butane 1 all will be the name of this particular compound. Alright. Now next one is, now in third what is present? Chlorine, that is halide and alkyl. So halide and alkyl, preference will be given to halide. So numbering will start from there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now halide को भी so halide also is being told in a prefix very earlier, and that alkyl also. So now the naming should be done according to alphabet. According to alphabet. Suppose chlorine is there. So chlorine is starting from C. So firstly we describe chlorine. Then what is present? Methyl. Methyl is starting from M. So in our alphabet C come first and then M. So we will tell chlorine first. At what position chlorine is present? 1. Here also chlorine is present to 2. How many chlorines are present? 2 chlorines. So we will use di. We will use di. Chlorine है, that means chloro. तो 1,2 dichloro. Third position पे what is present? Methyl. तो यहाँ पे we will write 3 methyl. 3 methyl. Now how many carbons are there? 5 carbon. तो pent. All the single bond are there. No other functional group, that is alkane. तो pentane. 1,2 dichloro 3 methyl pentane. Now see next this one. Here what is present? Halide and alkyl. So preference will be given to halide. Then 1, 2, 3 and 4. ठीक है. Second position पर 2 chlorine are present. तो जितने time particular thing is present, उतना time we will write the number. How many times chlorine is present? 2 times. So 2, 2. 2 times are present. That is why dichloro. All right. Then at third position, 2 methyl are present. Now third position, 2 times methyl are present. So we have to write 2 times. 3, 3. 2 methyl are present. That is why dimethyl. Dimethyl. Now how many carbon are present? 4 carbon. So but. All the single bond, no other functional group. Single bond, that means ane. So what is the name? 2, 2 dichloro 3, 3 dimethyl butane. All right. Next one, longest chain we will select. If we go from here, this we must take. Functional group is there. This we must take. 1, 2, 3, 4. If we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, so we will select this, right? Now at what position these 2 carbons are present? Second position. So we will write 2. Now here 2 carbon are present. 2 carbon is there, so there here we will not write dimethyl. No ways, because यहाँ पर एक ही कार्बन से दोनों मिथाइल अटैच थे. यहाँ इस कार्बन से ओनली दिस कार्बन इज अटैच्ड. दिस कार्बन इज अटैच्ड विद दिस कार्बन. मीन्स ये इसके साथ अटैच तो नहीं है. दैट मीन्स दिस इज डिफरेंट. तो ये 2 कार्बन का अल्किल है. दिस इज अ अल्किल ऑफ 2 कार्बन. 2 कार्बन अल्किल इज कॉल्ड एज इथाइल. बात समझ में आई? Here this carbon is directly attached with this and this. That is why dimethyl. Here we cannot say dimethyl. Why we cannot say dimethyl? Because this carbon, from this carbon only 1 carbon is attached. And now this carbon means this one, first one is attached with this. So these are different. बात समझ में आ रही है? तो इसलिए ये अल्किल है of 2 carbon, that is called as ethyl. So its name will be 2-ethyl. 2-ethyl. How many carbon are there? 6. So that is hex. All the single bond is there. Hexane. All the single bond is there. Hexane. Because one functional group is there. That is why hexane. At what position functional group is present? 1. And what is the name of functional group? OL. That is alcohol. OL. बात समझ में आई? तो इसका नेम हो जाएगा 2-ethyl hexane 1-ol. Now, what is isomerism? Isomerism is having same molecular formula, but different structural formula. Same molecular formula, but different structural formula. Same molecular formula, but different structural formula. For example, you have, suppose if you talk about C4, alkane. तो C4 के साथ alkane के साथ how many hydrogen will be there? 10. This is a molecular formula. This is all. How many hydrogen it requires? 3. How many hydrogen this requires? 2 hydrogen. How many hydrogen this requires? 2 hydrogen. And how many hydrogen this requires? 3. How many carbon is there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is there. How many hydrogen is there? 3, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is a one structure. Second structure, suppose like this. How many hydrogen it requires? 3. 1, 2, 3. This carbon requires how many? 1. This carbon requires how many? 3. And this carbon requires how many? 3. How many carbon is there? 1, 2, 3 and 4. How many hydrogen are there? 3, 6, 9 and 10. C4H10. Structure is like this, straight chain, and this structure is branch. That means it is isomer. Means isomers are those having same molecular formula but different structural formula, and the phenomena is known as isomerism. So isomerism is of two types. First one is structural and second one is stereo. Stereo means inner space. Stereo means inner space. Suppose something is added like this. Something is like this. तो अगर हम स्पेस में we will see, तो यहाँ पर क्लोरीन हुआ और यहाँ पर हाइड्रोजन हुआ. तो this is what? Space. Stereoisomerism. तो stereoisomerism is not in our course. In our course, only structural isomerism is there, and in the structural isomerism, only chain and position. Only chain and position. Now, first one is chain isomerism. So, chain can be either straight chain, or it can be branch chain. Either straight chain or it can be. Now, this chain isomerism, either it will be straight chain or it can be branch chain. That is, either it will be butane. Two examples are there in our course. First one is butane and second one is pentane. तो ब्यूटेन में either it will be straight chain के लिए we use N butane, or it can be branch. तो branch 1, 2 and 3. ठीक है. How many carbon are there? 3 के लिए. But this is what? Alkyl. So first we describe alkyl, 2 methyl, then 3 carbon prop, all the single bond in. So 2 methyl propane. So either it can be straight or it can be branch for the butane. For the pentane, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So N pentane. It is a straight chain. Up branch chain, that is 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 carbon is there. But it is in a branch form. चाहे आप ये branch इधर लगाएं, numbering वहीं से शुरू होगी. It will get second position only, right? Second position पर methyl is present. 2 methyl. 4 carbon is there. So but all the single bond in. 2 methyl butane. Or 1 carbon से all other 4 carbon atom can be joined. तो 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? अगर हम इसका वो करेंगे नेमिंग, तो 1, 2 and 3. Second position पर 2 methyl are present. तो 2 methyl is there. That is why dimethyl. Then it is prop, क्योंकि 3 carbon are there, prop. All the single bond is there in 2, dimethyl propane. Understood or not? So these two structures is in our course, and you have to learn this because ये एक ना एक structure पूछा जाता है in the exam. So it is butane or pentane. Now position isomerism. Position isomerism means molecular formula will be same but the position will be different. तो position किसकी होगी? Either functional group की. तो functional group position can be changed. If we take suppose 3 carbon, तो या तो double bond यहाँ होगा या तो double bond यहाँ होगा, तो both will get position 1. मतलब for showing position isomerism at least we need how many carbon? We need 4 carbon. We need how many carbon? At least we need 4 carbon. So this is alkene, that is C4H8. So this 1, 2, 3 and 4. Right now it is at position 1. So name will be but1ene. Now from here if you number 1, 2, 3, 4, it is at the position second. So its name will be but2ene. मतलब कि यहाँ पर position of that double bond is different. This is called as position isomerism. Here can be double bond, triple bond, OH, COOH. मतलब any functional group can be there, but the position, the number will be different. This is all for the isomerism and IUPAC.